Can you get my camera out, please? Before you pick that up, why don't you put that down?
Hi, recording camera.
Just, I've got the GoPro on the front. No, just the phone then. I'll do. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you. Right then, it's good.
Hold it open, don't hold it open.
Spoonbills, aren't they?
I didn't realise they came in pink. It must be very interesting.
Just stand here, they'll come. Just stand here, they'll come. Yeah, oh, sorry mate. Yeah, stand over here, they'll come. There's one there, look. Let them come to you, don't take it to them. No, don't. Lazy birds.
Not interested.
Still waiting for about Louise.
There we go. Just stand, they'll be fine. They'll come.
Stand for you.
You're coming over. Here. Don't bite me, little bugger. There you go. They'll come. Ooh. I just missed him. Bird check. The buggers just bit me, look.
Yeah, it does say that they bite.
The birds, I suppose.
Yeah, they nip. One of them tried to nip my fingernail every time we were having a drink the other day.
Yeah.
I think my pink top's putting them off.
I think they see in black and white, don't they?
Don't know.
Maybe the wrong time of the day. They're fed up with field of it.
Hey you.
He bit me, don't give him any.
It's a vampire one. This one's following the beach one. I'm going to go under here and see if there's...
Yeah.
You said no?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. I haven't got any.
I like your hat.
I like my hat.
It's obviously. Just. Come on then.
Yeah. No. They'll come. Here he comes. There they come, look. Yeah. Just got to stand still for a bit. They'll come. They're what?
Dykes. They're being dykes.
They're being dykes. What does that mean?
Just being annoying.
Is that what that means?
Then flying away.
Is that what that means, is it? Okay. Yeah, Lou, give us it. I bet they come to me.
This big pink one. We're regretting standing on that rope, I think.
Look at that.
that wing. This is like on the top.
Would have thought so.
Well, last time they didn't get in on us. They were all over the place.
Different time of the day though, wasn't it? Here you come. Yeah, stand there. Coming over? You coming? Coming over, Lou? There you go. There you go. Coming over? Don't peck me. There we go. There we go, look.
You're a bit nervous, are you?
Look, now they're going to fight over who gets the milk.
Yeah. You happy?
I think he's licking your arm.
He is. Hello, buddy. Hello, budgie boy. You had enough? Yeah, don't bite me. Or shite on me. I won't. I'm gonna...
In the shite.
Hello. Hello. Oh, here's some yours. Look at it. Hold it under his nose. Woo! You think he might be on my shoulder? Yeah.
He's on your neck, Lou. Are you really?
Put him down there. You look like a pirate.
Yeah, what's this?
Do a pirate impression, though.
That's my hair. Don't pull it out. Ew. Come here.
You see, what's nesting in there? I can smell something's died in there. What is it?
Cheeky bastard. Good on you.
Dad, there's a
Get him
bird
down, put him-
nipping Lou's hair.
Put him on your hand. You control him. Don't
Thank you. That's a
Just
good,
yeah,
good timing.
good lad.
Isn't it?
Shut off somewhere else.
Come on. Look at it.
He's like,
No, doesn't matter.
Just stand still. It'll be fine. They'll come back.
You're still wet from the long ride. Still recording. Squirrel on the outside, Steve.
I'm feeding him.
Lou, there's a squirrel. He might,
Get your arm outstretched.
he's on the neck.
They're like all animals. They're like an animal.
Put it on here. And come back.
Or put it on your head. I just start looking at your head.
He's already had a pull of me out.
How many hairs did you get?
Only one, I think.
Maybe three. Steve, one behind
Here he
you.
comes.
You need to go to him.
I'm not going to him. He can come to me. He wants the stuff. Got a reward.
American Ninja Warrior.
Did he bite you?
No, he thinks I've got something in my hand. He's just trying to get nectar.
Come on over. That's it.
He's just tasting you to see if you've got nectar.
Okay.
It's all right. You can hold him.
I don't want to hold him, Mike. Yeah. Hello.
Come here, you. Come here, you.
Go that way.
Just,
There we go.
Come in. It's good, isn't it? Are you the same? She just got to eat my hand.
Very reminder, shoes on fire, top all attraction, except bow down. Once again, do you guys
Looking at you.
must have your shoes on when you walk along the pole. On all attraction, except for bow down. Thank you.
Look up, Lou.
Where's my finger?
Come on.
Do you want to do one? That's my finger. I don't like your tongue on it, you dirty bugger.
I would move, Roo, because the shy talk's right above your head. There's said shy talk. Right above her head. It was.